Is it time to buy or sell Rocket Lab USA stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Rocket Lab USA. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 28th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 18th of February, 2025, our system has ranked Rocket Lab USA as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -1.7. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of 26.14%. This translates to an average loss of 2.9% per day since it was listed as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower section of a very wide and weak rising trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $19.85 is breached, it may initially indicate a slower rate of increase and could serve as an early warning for a potential change in the trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 4.38% over the next 3 months, with a projected return ranging from 1.13% to 63.68%. In terms of a longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 435.85%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 399.89% to 798.70% over the next year. In current terms, this would imply that the future price could fall between $102.43 and $184.14. Our latest daily update for Rocket Lab USA includes the headline, "Significant fluctuations in Rocket Lab USA Inc. stock price on Friday, moving 26.72% between high and low." The Rocket Lab USA Inc. stock price increased by 3.33% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 28th of February, 2025. It rose from $19.83 to $20.49. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 26.72%, with a low of $16.17 and a high of $20.49. The price has declined in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by 27.6% during this period. Trading volume also increased, with 19 million more shares traded than the previous day, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 37 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $760.11 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $33.34, while the lowest was $3.47. Currently, the price stands 38.54%, or $12.85, below the 52-week high of $33.34, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Rocket Lab USA Inc., traded under the ticker RKLB, is currently facing considerable scrutiny following several announcements concerning potential violations of securities laws. On the 25th of February, Bleecker Street Research released a report claiming that the company misled investors about the timeline for the launch of its Neutron rocket, which was initially promised for the middle of 2025. This revelation has sparked a series of class action lawsuits aimed at seeking compensation for investors who acquired securities between the 12th of November, 2024, and the 25th of February, 2025. Investors now have a limited window until the 28th of April, 2025, to take action as lead plaintiffs in these lawsuits. The consequences of these developments are likely to be significant. In the short term, Rocket Lab's stock experienced considerable volatility, initially dropping by more than 18% following a disappointing earnings report, before staging a partial recovery as investors began to process the situation. The ongoing investigations and class action lawsuits may lead to increased selling pressure on the stock, as uncertain legal outcomes can create apprehension among investors. In the long term, the financial and reputational damage from these allegations could impede Rocket Lab's operational plans, particularly its ambitious projects like the Neutron rocket. If found liable, the company may face substantial financial penalties and heightened scrutiny from regulators, potentially impacting future capital raises and partnerships. Therefore, investors should closely monitor the unfolding situation to assess its impact on Rocket Lab's market performance and strategic viability. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 14th of November, 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned RKLB a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, KeyBank rated RKLB as overweight with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 27th of September, 2024, KeyBank once again rated RKLB as overweight with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 12th of September, 2024, JMP Securities rated RKLB as market perform with an initiate recommendation. On Wednesday, the 14th of August, 2024, Citigroup rated RKLB as a buy with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Rocket Lab USA stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rocket Lab USA. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 27th of February, 2025, and so far it has risen 3.33%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Volume is rising in tandem with the price, which is viewed as a positive technical indicator. However, there are also some negative signals that could impact the short-term outlook. The stock of Rocket Lab USA Inc. is currently experiencing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During any upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $21.88 and $26.69. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Furthermore, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MCD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 185 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support risk and stop loss for Rocket Lab USA. Rocket Lab USA Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $20.28, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.32 between its high and low, which is a change of 26.72%. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 13.11%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Rocket Lab USA, let's briefly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of May, 2025. Analysts are predicting a consensus estimate of negative $0.11. It is important to monitor these figures now as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rocket Lab USA. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rocket Lab USA is at $23.01. If you do not already own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Rocket Lab USA encounters its first support level at $20.28. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Rocket Lab USA from various analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of December, 2024, Armagno Nina executed an insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock. On the 3rd of February, 2025, Kozla Ventures VI LP conducted an insider sale of 1 million shares of common stock. On the 4th of February, 2025, Kozla Ventures VLP again executed an insider sale of 1 million shares of common stock. On the 29th of January, 2025, Kozla Ventures VLP carried out another insider sale of 1 million shares of common stock. On the 30th of January, 2025, Kozla Ventures VLP conducted yet another insider sale of 1 million shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 28.172. In total, insiders purchased 56,385,154 shares and sold 123,656,213 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and currently there is no stop loss in place. Is Rocket Lab USA stock a good buy? The stock of Rocket Lab USA Inc. shows several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Rocket Lab USA Inc. will perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we have adjusted our evaluation of this stock, upgrading it from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, March 3rd, we expect Rocket Lab USA to open lower by $1.44, starting at $19.05. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Remember to show your support by liking and subscribing. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.